Hi, my name is Ryan Moran, and today I've decided to talk about sugar addiction. Sugar addiction is a very real cause for concern in America. Too much sugar can have many negative side effects. Sugar is found in many foods, cake, pie, cookies, candy, etc. It is almost impossible to avoid. It is even found in foods that you wouldn't think of as sweet. Ketchup, coffee drinks, salsa, salad dressings, and many more. There are many negative side effects to too much sugar, and some of them are weight gain, increased risk of heart disease, acne, type 2 diabetes, increased risk of cancer, increased risk of depression, uh, immune system is affected, can lead to um, chromium deficiency, and can increase stress levels. Another problem with sugar is that the more you consume, the more you crave it, which leads to overindulgence and bad eating patterns. There is also a link between sugar addiction and alcoholism. Breaking the sugar addiction. Ways to break the sugar addiction. Cold turkey, which is just stopping completely, immediately. Make small, sustainable changes. Keep sugary foods out of sight so you don't tempt yourself. Watch for hidden sugar in foods. Eat breakfast. That's the most important thing. Uh, Incorporate more protein in your diet to help with cravings because protein makes your stomach more full. AHA suggests women should consume no more than 24 grams of sugar a day, and men should consume no more than 36 grams per day. Yet Americans consume much more on average. The average American consumes an average of 77 grams per sugar a day. And that's the end of my presentation.